So, hey, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can see from behind me, I've changed my setup a little bit. I basically just turned my desk and set up new cords. And so basically this is my back wall, or in this case my side wall. And so everything is pretty much the same, but I've switched the desk. This will be your background from now on. I'll probably paint it at some point. If you guys want me to paint it, you guys can put down in the comments what color you guys want me to paint it, that kind of stuff. If you guys want me to paint it like in a checkerboard pattern, anything like that, you guys can go ahead and put that down in the comments. And so this was just a quick little video. I just wanted to explain that I've changed my setup a little bit, so if you guys see that in the next video, don't be too confused. And I'll probably leave a link down in the description, or I'll just explain it in that video. But yeah, I'll probably paint it at some point, like I've said. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, you guys can go ahead and leave that down in the comments. And okay, so I'm recording this after I just recorded that first section. So, something I forgot to mention, I'm sorry I haven't been posting in so long. My editing software, Camtasia 9, hadn't been working for the longest time. I finally figured out how to get it to work. I couldn't upload videos longer than 15 minutes, and well, if you look at majority of the videos on my channel, they're usually longer than 15 minutes. So that was kind of a struggle for me, so I'm really sorry that I haven't been putting out much content, but hopefully now that I can put out this content to you guys, I can put out it a little better as well with the editing now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment down, and subscribe. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment about if you want me to paint the wall, what colors, etc. Here's a little hair model. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.